Unwind and Release. Understanding, blow off steam. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, blow off steam. This idiom is widely used in everyday conversation, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English communication skills. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in various contexts. Blow off steam is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of releasing pent-up energy or strong emotions to relieve stress or tension. Imagine a pressure cooker releasing steam to prevent itself from exploding. Similarly, when people blow off steam, they are finding a way to let out frustration or anger in a manner that's often harmless or constructive. The phrase, blow off steam, originates from the early days of steam engines. These machines had a safety valve that released steam when pressure became too high, preventing explosions. Over time, this mechanical process became a metaphor for human emotions and stress management. It perfectly illustrates how releasing tension can prevent explosions of a different kind, emotional outbursts. Using blow off steam in conversation is quite simple. It can be applied to various activities that people engage in to relieve stress. Here are a few examples. After a long week at work, I like to blow off steam by going for a run. He needed to blow off steam, so he punched a boxing bag instead of getting angry at someone. We all have our ways to blow off steam. Some people prefer quiet reading, while others might go dancing. It's important to note that blow off steam is often used in a positive context, emphasizing healthy ways to deal with stress or anger. While blow off steam is widely understood in English-speaking countries, the concept of releasing stress through specific activities can vary greatly across different cultures. It's an excellent reminder of the diverse ways people worldwide cope with stress and emotions, and understanding this phrase can offer insight into cultural attitudes towards stress relief and emotional management. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of blow off steam for you. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your understanding of the cultural nuances of the English language. Happy learning, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating phrases with you. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to blow off steam in your favorite way after a day of learning.